Hello everyone and welcome back to PC Solutions. Today we will talk about a very recent event, the deactivation of uBlock Origin on this Chrome. If you use uBlock Origin to block ads on Google Chrome, you may have noticed that recently the extension has been disabled. But what is happening, and above all, what alternatives do we have? Today I will explain everything to you and also present a valid alternative to solve the problem. Let's start by explaining what uBlock Origin is. It is an extension that has become very popular in recent years, which has helped us for quite some time to block unwanted ads, improving our browsing experience and protecting us from dangerous content. But what has been happening recently? Google is updating the way extensions work on Google Chrome, moving from Manifest to Manifest v3. This change, without going into too much detail, specifically aims to improve the security and performance of extensions. But it has caused the disabling of extensions like uBlock Origin, which are no longer compatible with the new standard. There is a solution, don't worry, let's see how to do it now. First, let's open Google Chrome. At the top right, we will find this small puzzle piece, which pertains to extensions. We can click on it and go to Manage Extensions. Here we will find the screen of all the extensions we have installed on our browser. Let's search for uBlock Origin and click on the Remove button and then Confirm. There you go. It's removed in an instant. Now we need to search for the new extension, which is from the same producer, so it has the same reliability as the previous one, but it is compatible with the new Manifest Q3 and complies with the security and performance policies imposed by Google. Click on the left on Chrome Web Store. Here we go to search for uBlock Origin Lite. In my case, I have already installed it, but in your case, you can click the button here to install it. Once installed, you will be asked for a quick configuration. In my case, I left everything more or less as it is. I simply increased the filtering to optimal instead of basic. Once clicked on optimal, we can close the screen. We restart the browser and here we go. At the top right, we will find the uBlock Origin icon. Finally, I remind you that if an uBlock does not meet your needs, you can consider other extensions compatible with Manifest v3. I leave here on screen some alternatives that you can always find in the web store of extensions. Having said that, thank you for watching. Let me know how you find the new uBlock. I hope I have been helpful. If you want, leave me a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more PC solutions. Having said that, I bid you farewell. See you next time. Bye.